Keep your chin up. Understanding positivity in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Keep your chin up. This expression is not just about physical posture but carries a deeper meaning. We're going to explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily English communication. So, let's keep our chins up and start learning. Keep your chin up is an idiomatic expression used to encourage someone to stay strong and optimistic during difficult times. It's a way of telling someone to remain positive and not to be overwhelmed by sadness or discouragement. The phrase metaphorically implies that by keeping your chin up, or held high, you're displaying confidence and resilience in the face of adversity. While the exact origin of "keep your chin up" is not clear, it's believed to have been used for the first time in literature or speech around the early 20th century. The phrase likely comes from the physical act of lifting one's chin, which is often associated with a posture of confidence and dignity. Over time, it has become a popular way to express encouragement and support. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts, but it's most commonly found in casual conversation. Here are a few examples of how you can use "keep your chin up." When comforting a friend who is going through a tough time, "I know things are hard right now, but keep your chin up. It'll get better." In a letter or email offering support, "Despite the challenges, keep your chin up. You have a lot of people who believe in you." When motivating a team facing setbacks, "Let's keep our chins up and focus on solving the problem." There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. These include "stay positive," "hang in there," and "don't let it get you down." Each of these expressions can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the level of formality in the conversation. Keep your chin up is more than just a phrase. It's a reminder of the power of positivity and resilience. Whether you're offering comfort to a friend or encouraging yourself, this expression is a beautiful way to convey support and optimism. We hope this video has enlightened you on the significance of keeping your chin up in the English language. Remember, no matter what life throws your way, keep your chin up and move forward with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.